one thing I did wonder is why some seemingly simple repairs have got so ridiculously expensive on cars as well. I mean, for instance, fixing a door lock, things like that. They're the kind of things. Oh, you just go and get a new lock and stick it in.
That's a good one. Yeah. So simple repairs that are expensive now, like door locks, like you just mentioned. Well, let me say this: on most cars now, they don't have door locks anymore. So, yeah, you may not have seen that, but on the new cars, if you walk up to any 2015, let's take BMW for example, there is no door lock. They're gone.
Oh, no key.
Nope. No, all push button. Push button, all electrically operated, or there might be numbered buttons on the door where you can enter a code. Ford uses that system. I think some other cars use it too. Or it's all key fob operated where you hit the button on your remote and it unlocks your car, right? But door lock cylinders have been phasing out. Now the ones that do still have them, because some cars at least have one in the driver's door, that door lock cylinder is now an integrated unit with the computer module behind it. There's a computer in your door that tells the rest of the doors to lock when you turn the key cylinder. And oftentimes it may even be integrated with the handle assembly or even the latch. So when you go to order, you broke the key cylinder and you think, I just want the key cylinder. And you go to order one, they don't sell them as just a key cylinder. Now they sell the entire computer latch assembly that bolts into your door. And it's several $100s. And then when you put it in, you may have to program it to your car because you've just replaced a computer. So you may have to tell your car, see that new thing over there that you don't recognize? Don't worry, that's here. I'm telling you what it is. It's a lock cylinder. I'm going to give you the name. Yeah, see, oh, now you know him. That's Bob the door computer. Okay, now I know you. We'll communicate. But when you first put in Bob the door cylinder, John, your car computer goes, I don't know Bob. I'm not going to work with Bob until you tell Bob and John that they're okay. So these simple repairs like door lock cylinders seem simple in your head, sure, but not anymore because everything is so interconnected, and that's what's available for parts is one giant unit that's got many things all in one. They just sell you the module. Here, just put that in. And even to try and then you're thinking, what about just fixing it? What if I could just repair it, right? Well, here's the downside. A lot of complicated parts like that are put together, they're not put together with bolts and nuts. You can't just undo the screws and separate it. Now they all come sealed. They're glued shut or they're welded shut. It's just no, we don't want you fixing that. Put in a new one.
Right. And are a lot more parts becoming unserviceable on cars? Or?
Yeah, there's a lot that are becoming unserviceable. Now they're replaceable. Now here in the private industry, because, look, as a car owner myself, obviously I'd rather try and service it than replace it. So here in our shop, we put a lot of attention and personal time outside of company hours, constantly looking into, could we develop a fix for something? Could we make a fix that doesn't exist yet? Could we be the ones that designed a fix for something that everyone else says is not fixable? That could save you some money, or at least give you the option. So we do that all the time. We're constantly looking for, we'll just pick a scenario, or a customer's car will come in the shop with a problem, and then we'll diagnose it, and, you need this part, and we'll phone the part suppliers and find out that it's one of those complicated, one-piece big units, and then we'll go back to our tech and go, look, on your own personal time, even at lunch, let's pull that old one apart. Let's see what we can learn about this. Maybe we can fix it. And we'll ask the customer, are you okay with this? And sometimes they go, yeah, absolutely. I need the part anyway, so let's find out.